name is Nina Gordon and I work as a land care officer in the Hunter region. Today I've been called in to investigate Allawa Strait Reserve in Waratah West.
It is located in a very urban area, surrounded by houses, roads and Thomas Percy Oval Playground. Through the site runs the watercourse of Boatman Creek, surrounded by a mixture of native and invasive riparian vegetation.
Residents who live around the reserve have voiced their concerns, fearing for the safety of their children, as the reserve is home to a malicious weed, Ricinus communis, or what it's more commonly known as, the castor oil plant.
Ricinus communis is a medium to tall, fast-growing perennial shrub. It has large, star-shaped leaves that can vary in colour from red-brown to blue-green when matured. The leaves have toothed edges, are glossy with notable mid-veins, and are divided into 7 to 9 lobes. They're attached to long, hollow stalks, which are pale green, occasionally red-tinged and grey when matured. The flowers of the weed are spiked and clustered at the end of the stems, have no petals, and are red if female or yellow if male. The fruit are round, 2.5 centimetres long, softly spined, reddish-green in colour, and have 3 segments containing 1 seed each. The seeds are oval, brown or grey, shiny and around 10 millimetres in diameter. This noxious weed can outcompete native plants, often taking over pastures. Every part of the castor oil plant is poisonous to people and animals, but in particular the plant's seeds, or the castor beans. The seeds contain strong concentrations of ricin. Ricin is fatal when consumed and can take a number of hours for symptoms to appear. The whole plant is dangerous to touch or consume and the pollen to breathe in. Extreme caution must be taken when controlling the growth of this plant. Proper safety precautions must be adhered to, such as wearing full PPE, including gardening gloves, long clothes, boots, dust mask, and safety glasses. There are many methods for controlling this weed. Hand pulling or digging can be done to deal with individual plants, making sure to collect all the root fragments and seeds and bagging it all up to be deeply buried in a land care weed waste site. Cutting the stems and immediately painting with a herbicide is a good technique for larger areas of castor oil plant growth. Another method for controlling the plant is through herbicide spraying of the whole weed, which can be done if no desirable plants are close by.
Now that this dangerous weed has been removed, residents can live without fear of their children being exposed to the dangers of the castor oil plant while playing in Allawa Strait Reserve.